Hello everyone, I am your number 4. Today we'll be glancing on the topic microbial genetics. Microbial genetics is a subject area within microbiology and genetic engineering in which various microbial genetic studies are performed for different purposes. Microbial genetics has revealed that the genes consist of DNA, an observation that laid the foundation of molecular biology. Subsequent investigations of bacteria revealed the presence of restriction enzymes that cleave the DNA at specific sites, giving rise to DNA restriction fragments. Amplification of specific regions of DNA can be achieved using PCR or other methods like nucleic acid amplification, which is also known as the transcription based amplification. It is a single tube nucleic acid amplification system which is utilizing two enzymes like RNA polymerase and reverse transcriptase. Gene expression process by which information from a gene is used in the synthesis of functional gene product. The gene expression may be carried out using transcription or translation. Transcription is a DNA based gene expression in which the particular segment of DNA is copied into RNA by using enzyme RNA polymerase. Translation is a process by which the genetic code contained within an mRNA molecule is decoded to produce the specific sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide chain. It occurs in three stages: initiation, elongation, and termination. The translation requires the input of an mRNA template, ribosomes, tRNA, and various other enzymatic factors. The tRNAs they must be recognized by the correct amino acid synthetase, they must be recognized by ribosomes, and they also must bind to the correct sequence of mRNA. Levels of gene regulation. The expression of a gene into functional proteins can be regulated at multiple levels. At transcription level, there is a regulation of rate at which the gene is being transcribed. mRNA transcript stability. The regulation of mRNA stability has emerged as a major control point in gene expression. The abundance of a particular mRNA can be rapidly regulated in response to a stimulus by altering the stability of existing translatable transcripts, rather than altering the rate of transcription initiation. At translation level, there is a regulation of translation of mRNAs. The post translational modification example, there is a cleavage of polypeptides, addition of various chemical groups. The regulation of transcription. The focal point is whether or not RNA polymerase binds to the promoter of a gene and initiates transcription, which depends on affinity of RNA polymerase for a given promoter. Some promoters are strong and bind RNA polymerase with high affinity. Some promoters are weak and bind RNA polymerase with low affinity, requiring help from special proteins called transcription factors. The strength of a promoter depends on its sequence. DNA replication. A short summary of DNA replication is given in the figure. The DNA is firstly uncoiled by using gyrases in prokaryotes and helicases and topoisomerases in eukaryote. The proteins then stabilize the unbound parental DNA. The leading strand is synthesized continuously by DNA polymerases. The lagging strand is synthesized discontinuously. RNA polymerase synthesizes a short RNA primer, which is then extended by the DNA polymerase. The DNA polymerase then digests the RNA primer and replaces it with the DNA. The DNA ligase joins the discontinuous fragments of the lagging strand, which are also known as the Okazaki fragments. Features of the DNA replication. Both the strands they serve as a template. Synthesis is always in the 5' to 3' direction. There is always a leading and a lagging strand. The synthesis in the leading strand is always continuous. The synthesis in the lagging strand is always discontinuous. Some important enzymes which are involved in the DNA replication are DNA polymerase, primase, and DNA ligases. Methods of gene transfer. Bacteria can acquire DNA in three basic ways. Firstly, transformation, secondly, conjugation, and last, transduction. In transformation, there is the uptake and retention of the external DNA molecule. In conjugation, there is the formation of conjugation bridge and there is a direct transfer of DNA from one bacterium to the another. In transduction, there is a transfer of DNA using a bacteriophage or a virus.
Hello everyone, I am roll number 37 and my topic is transposons. Transposable genetic elements TE, are pieces of some genes of DNA that can move from one location on the chromosome to another, from plasmid to chromosome or from plasmid to another. The American geneticist Barbara McClintock discovered it through her study of genetic of corn in 1940. She called the segments of DNA transposable genetic elements transposons, or more commonly jumping genes. McClintock won Nobel Prize for her discovery. The first transposable elements is discovered in bacteria is called insertion sequences or IS elements. The transposons may cause mutations. They also may increase or decrease the amount of DNA in the genome of the cell. Types of transposable elements. Transposable elements are of two main types. Number 1, insertion sequences are simple transposons. Number 2, transposons TN are complex transposons.
Hello, the transposase gene is there are different insertion sequences transposons. The IS elements at the transposable elements are it consists of one or more genes